Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. So today I'm going to show you how to make rose water. Now rose water is very good for those with very sensitive skin. It's going to help get rid of blemishes. It clears acne marks, suntan and dark spots. Now this is going to brighten up your overall complexion. This is 100% natural and it does smell really good. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. So to start, you're obviously gonna need some rose flowers. We're gonna need only the petals here. So I'm gonna get a bowl and put the petals inside. Now afterwards, I'm gonna cover it up with some warm water. Then I will tightly cover it up with a lid and leave it alone for about 2 to 3 days. But it's been up to 3 days and this is what we have here. The water has been infused with all the good properties. So with the help of a strainer, I'm just gonna get the water out. Here we are with our rose water, 100% natural without any preservatives. As you can see, the color is so beautiful. Then I'm going to transfer it into a bottle. So this can be kept in your bathroom cabinet. So use it every day. So you can use this as a facial toner or you can even use it as a mist. You're gonna watch your skin transform into a very beautiful and younger one. So I hope you like this video and I hope you're gonna give it a try. If you've not subscribed to this beautiful channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye!